So another topic which is concerned with the heart is your double circulation. Now first let us understand what is the how double circulation takes place. So basic idea behind the double circulation is to just separate the, or if I say what is the main purpose of double circulation, is to keep oxygenated and deoxygenated blood separated in our body, because mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood will cause a lot of problem to us. And the efficiency of the blood, that is the main function of the blood or main purpose of the blood to carry the oxygen and carbon dioxide, will also be a failure. So when we have studied the basic structure, see the central this square shows you the basic structure of the heart. That is right, you can clearly see here right atrium, left ventricle and right ventricle. So what happens, double circulation means the blood in our body is circulated or is moved 2 times through the heart. How 2 times? We will see it in double circulation. What happens, the left atrium, which carries oxygenated blood, transfers its blood to the ventricle, that is the lower chamber of your heart. From the ventricle, the oxygenated blood is carried to the body parts, because our body parts need oxygen. That oxygen is carried by aorta, that is the main artery, to the body parts or body organs. Now body organs use up the oxygen and they give their carbon dioxide to the vena cava, or you can also say that the body organs use oxygen and they transfer their waste, which is carbon dioxide, to the vena cava. So the blood which was earlier carrying oxygen has now become the deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood is then transferred to the right atrium. I told you earlier also, the right atrium deals with the deoxygenated blood, means the blood which carries carbon dioxide. So the deoxygenated blood is now transferred to the right atrium of our heart. The atrium gives its blood to the ventricle, and ventricle transfers that deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Now, what is the purpose of sending this carbon dioxide carrying blood to the lungs? In the lungs, when we breathe, we are all aware of the fact that breathing takes place and the gaseous exchange takes place in the lungs. So in lungs, what happens? The blood absorb the oxygen which we inhale during breathing. हम सांस लेते हुए जो भी एयर इनहेल करते हैं, हम इनहेल क्या करते हैं? हम ऑक्सीजन इनहेल करते हैं. वी इनहेल ऑक्सीजन. सो वो इनहेल्ड ऑक्सीजन जो है वो ब्लड में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती है, और ब्लड का जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो हमारे नाक के थ्रू, ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू एक्सहेल आउट हो जाता है. सो मीन्स लंग्स में क्या हुआ? लंग्स ने फिल्टर की तरह बिहेव किया. लंग्स ने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को रिमूव कर दिया ब्लड से, और ब्लड में ऑक्सीजन डाल करके उसको दोबारा ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया हार्ट में. नाउ यही ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जो पहले डीऑक्सीजनेटेड था और लंग्स में जाकर के ऑक्सीजनेटेड हुआ, उस ब्लड को दोबारा से हमने हार्ट में डाल दिया, और लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द हार्ट से वो दोबारा हमारा ऑर्गन्स में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द होल साइकिल ऑफ ब्लड इज कैरिड इन आवर बॉडी, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डबल सर्कुलेशन. हार्ट से ब्लड जो है वो 2 बार ट्रैवल करता है, once in the form of oxygenated blood and second in the form of deoxygenated blood. That is why it is called as double circulation.